Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last two tasks, you all did a wonderful job. I have seen your submissions and I must say the effort was really good. However, there are still a few areas where we can improve and make our illustrations even better. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to develop your drawings further. First, let us look the shapes from task 1 and task 2. As you can see, the base shapes are good, but with some creativity, we can transform them into more detailed and meaningful illustrations. I will be demonstrating how to take these simple shapes and convert them into a complete illustration. Watch carefully, because once I finish this demo, I will also share a new set of shapes with you. This time, they will be a little more challenging compared to task 1 and task 2. The idea is to push your creativity further and help you think beyond the basics. So dear students, this is task 3. It is a bit more difficult than the previous ones. Your challenge is to develop these shapes into a cartoon character illustration.